Are you tired of wearing the same boring blazer every day? I know! Grab some vintage trim and let's get embellishing!
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
So for this super simple yet awesome blazer embellishment, all you need is your boring blazer, some fab coordinating embroidered trim, pins, and your sewing gear. You can source your groovy borders and trims just about anywhere, and then of course store them in groovy, fantastic upcycled containers like my fab little box here. And I mean, I have been collecting these for quite a while, and I've gotten them at thrift stores, at garage sales, and I mean, even small pieces I save because you never ever know when they might come in handy. I mean, that's really not that big, but it would look really cool around a single cuff perhaps, or maybe added to the front of a pocket or something like that. But yeah, I mean, anytime you see any kind of these really pretty vintage embroidered borders and trims, absolutely pick them up and, you know, use them for embellishing your projects. So first, you have to decide exactly where you want to embellish your blazer. I mean, you could put the trim all the way around the collar, and that would be quite cool. Or you can add it here around the cuffs. That would add some cool fanciness as well. Or if your blazer has pockets, you know, just add it here, just along the top of the pocket on each side. Now, I think I'm going to do something I've actually never done before and put this kind of like, it looks almost like suspenders. So I'm going to start here inside the pocket and then pin it all the way around on both sides here. So I kind of have it going, you know, up and around like suspenders. So let's give that a try. So as you can see, I have started just inside the pockets and then gone ahead and pinned all the way around to the very bottom and up and over and around the bottom hem at the back. So let's go stitch it on and yeah, see how it comes out. I mean, how fantastic does this blazer look now? It is definitely not boring anymore. Let's have a look at the back. It is definitely a suspender look, which is totally what I was going for. So I definitely think I'm going to try this technique on other garments and see how it comes out. For loads more tips, tricks, and rockin' Refashionista tutorials, as always, head on over to my refashionistasherry.com, and while you're there, please do share your favorite DIYs, tutorials, and pre-loved style inspiration with your online circles, and let's get everyone living a more eco-friendly, sustainable lifestyle. Because, really, being sustainable and eco-friendly, it shouldn't cost the earth. And until next time, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag. Oh, right, and I'll put the link below for my fancy new podcast, so check that out too. Have a fantastic Refashionista day.